Here's how to fix the "Your graphics card and CPU is not supported" error in Forza Horizon. Press the Windows key, search for DXDiag, and run it. Confirm you are running DirectX 12. If not, search online to download and install it from the official Microsoft source. Next, open Settings. Click System, then Display, then Advanced Display. Make sure your refresh rate is set to 60 Hz rather than 144 Hz or any higher value, since Forza Horizon can struggle to launch at higher refresh rates on certain systems. Finally, navigate to your Forza Horizon installation folder. Right-click the application launcher, select Show More Options, then Properties, then Compatibility. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, click Apply, then OK. Launch the game again and the unsupported hardware error should now be resolved. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.